Today I'm going to be checking out the silicone squeegee sent to me by Better Boat. And what is a silicone squeegee? Well, this is going to be an alternative to using a chamois or towels to wipe down your car, vehicles, RV, boat. So for this demonstration, I had a lot of rain today and I wanted to get this rainwater off of my windshield and glass, which can leave some water spots. And this is doing a really great job of doing that. And you can also use this for the body of your car. I would recommend doing this after you wash it because there could be some contaminants like dirt that could potentially scratch it. But otherwise, the silicone is designed so that it will not, in fact, scratch your surfaces. So you don't have to worry about that. But this is going to be a game changer for me. This blade, it's about 12 inches in width. As you can see, it does a nice pass, whereas maybe a few passes on a chamois or whatever, you got to stop what you're doing and you got to squeeze the water out and then continue your process. This, you're just scraping all the moisture off your surface very quickly, simple, no water spots to worry about, and it has some really nice flexibility to it for all the different curves that you might encounter on your surfaces, such as on these surfaces between the windows. Has no problems conforming to any of that. Works just fine on this vinyl panel as well. So you can also use it around your house. I had some dirty sliding glass doors here that I hosed off and cleaned. Now I'm just going in for the wipe down. So you can do it like a continuous way like this. I'm still kind of getting used to that, to where you don't stop what you're doing and backtrack. So I'm still kind of learning that. I think that's what the pros they do. They do like a continuous circle motion, but I think I'll get the handle of that eventually. Then I went ahead and cleaned my mirror in my bathroom, and it does a really good job of doing that. I much prefer using this rather than paper towel or something that could leave some kind of a residue. So this will be my go-to tool for drying off my vehicles and around the house.